Thanks for watching a short demonstration of the water heater strap featuring Bruce from Conway Services in Memphis, Tennessee. Start by passing the water heater strap around the back of the water heater. Feed the small end of the strap through the slot on the ratchet handle. Smooth out the excess material. Ratchet down tight. Notice the sewn-in handles around the strap make for easy lifting. Now attach the overhead strap and position evenly. Slide back and forth if necessary. Attach a hitch clip anchor point using 2.5-inch screws. Now attach a winch to the hitch clip. Now crank your water heater into the attic space using your winch. The old water heater can also be lowered easily from the attic using a winch.
Sometimes even with a braided hose for guys who use pipes, sometimes you just grab onto what's here. You know, I've had these pipes come apart. You're halfway down the pull-down stairs. And then the fitting that you screwed onto as a connection fails. Well, the heater's old, it's rusted, and the fitting that you screwed your pipe onto as a handle, falls right off the water heater. So here we're really, I like the fact that we're securing it to the heater itself. So even if those pipes do fail up above, you've got a good strong hold.
You've got some heaters that are, you say, heavier than this, right? This is a 50-gallon?
Yeah, this is a 50-gallon, brand new out of the box. New ones are going to be about 120, 130 pounds. And the older ones are going to be anywhere from 150 to 170 pounds.
Sediment, water.
Sediment, water you can't get out.
We didn't get it. We're not good.
Well, okay, cool. Dick!
We're just going to let you take one on that one. Those screws
I was
going
in the
in.
background. That's
Those
what I
going
didn't
in
say.
pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There we go. Did you get me in there?
This is real life when you drop the screw.